It's been twice built, and after a more than 300-year history, still stands as a monument of fine architectural achievement and the resilience of a city and its people. On the afternoon of Monday, January 14, 1907, the residents of Jamaica's capital city found themselves under an avalanche of dust clouds and falling rubble, jarred loose from buildings rocked by a 6.5 magnitude earthquake. The damage was all-encompassing and left many questioning the future of the city. But in the months and years that followed, Kingston and Kingstonians began laying the foundation for a sturdier, more resilient city. The Church of St. Thomas the Apostle was one of the institutions to find new life after the devastation of 1907. From that point on, it would stand as the Kingston Parish Church. In 1911, the Anglican Church, which stands on the corner of South Parade and King Street, was consecrated after being built on the foundations of the structure destroyed in 1907. Its predecessor, which had served as the state church of the island since the 17th century, is believed to have been built in or before 1699. The new concrete structure of the 20th century was designed to reflect the style of the original, with the exception of a clock tower added in memory of those who died in World War I. It is this clock that is said to be the inspiration for the popular phrase describing Kingstonians as people born under the clock. The Kingston Parish Church is a study in the best that Georgian architecture has to offer. Its gleaming white edifice with the cross shape, high steeple and bell tower is framed by stained glass windows dating back to the 1700s. Beyond its architectural details, the Kingston Parish Church holds within its walls many relics and monuments that detail interesting developments and personalities that have shaped the history of the capital. One of its most iconic features is the imposing organ said to have been built in 1722. Statues of St. Mary and St. Thomas, donated by the Chinese and Syrian communities, are among many gifts from prominent Jamaican families that adorn the church's altar. A French chalice from 1689 and a collection of church plates from 1701 find a home beside artwork and sculptures from some of Jamaica's best. Among its monuments is one in memory of John Woolmer, a wealthy Kingston goldsmith who left money in his will to build a free school in the city, and soldiers of the West Indian regiments who died during the colonial wars are remembered in marble plaques on the site. For more than 300 years, from so-called commoners to royalty, this church has been the point of worship for generations of Kingstonians, bearing witness to many of Jamaica's historic milestones.